good morning. Regarding info is back on the slides of your activity. With me, Siti Ramawati, who will provide the latest and most current news. LORGA, OMBAK letter 13 how cultural resident of TAMBAK LOROK, Semarang. First, big wet is 13 how in the precinct 5 of TAMBAK LOROK, Tanjung Mas, North Semarang. The match being hit by the tidal wave, the incident occurred after bed broken house Sunday 6:12:30 in the morning.
Securities and one of residents of the back waiting close to the square because the word BB is height of few meters. Fifthly, the height above on the last car broken the bed without that called the living desk. One of the building, the mother of sport, of household of resident of 15 Tanjung Mas, Kelurahan. Master Sutrimo has said the back houseboat in the really house to after being investigated to the event. That night, the right accompanied between the walls and was erased too. I immediately guarded the kitchen door to cover its water being written inside a sleeping with Tudor 1912-20. There in 13 how the have been the walls court ideas have been towards a 40th F at the back was broken. Reality is warning the walls are not strong ancient. Lucky the war in quality.
That is what I am currently reporting Siti Ramawati and all the crew who are under him. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and see you soon.